I'm also going to remove my filter out here and lightly blow it out from the inside and inspect it. And right here, this is a screen protecting your radiator. I'm going to take it out. See, there's a little bit of bugs and a few other things in there. Take this completely out of the tractor, blow that out, reinsert it. It's also a good time to check your fluid levels. And I like to take an air wand and blow from the back side of my radiator forward, because air and dirt's pulled in this direction, so you want to blow it back out the opposite direction. So I'll get in behind these fins right here and blow trash out and blow out from underneath the hood while everything's nice and open like this. It's also a good time to check your tire pressures and just give the tractor a good once over.